Hello, good morning all. I am going to explain how to solve the system of equations by one of the iterative method called Gauss-Jacobi method. We take three equations, three unknowns. This can be extended to any number of equations and unknowns. Solve 58x minus 2y minus 4z equal to 146. 3x plus 45y plus 2z equal to 81. 2x minus 3y plus 33z equal to 95. First, verify that the system is diagonally dominant. That is, in the first equation, coefficient of x should be very large, coefficient of y should be large in second equation, and coefficient of z should be large in the third equation. Here, given system itself diagonally dominant. Otherwise, we rearrange equation so that it is diagonally dominant. Next step is to rewrite the equation as follows. That is, first equation should be written as x as a function of y and z. For this, we bring this y term, z term to the other side, divide by the diagonal number. So x equal to 146 plus 2y plus 4z by 58. Second equation, x and z term are to be taken other side, divided by the diagonal number. Y equal to 81 minus 3x minus 2z by 45. In the third equation, bring x and y term to the other side, divided by diagonal number 33. Z equal to 95 minus 2x plus 3y by 33. Now, assume the trial solution as the trivial solution. In iterative method, we always assume the trial solution as the initial solution. We have to substitute y equal 0, z equal 0 on the right hand side of first equation. The second equation, put x equal to 0, z equal 0 on the right hand side. The third equation, you put x equal to 0, y equal 0 on the right hand side of z and compute mu x, y, z. Now, I am going to explain how to implement this in the calculator, for which I take x equal to a, y equal to b, z equal to c. And this a can be obtained by replacing alpha minus symbol will give you a. For equal to symbol, alpha calc will give you equal to open bracket 146 plus 2b. B is, can be obtained by alpha degree symbol plus 4c. 4 times c can be obtained by alpha hype button close bracket divided by 58. This will give you a. Similarly, b can be obtained by putting alpha degree symbol will give you b, alpha calc will give you equal to open bracket 81 minus 3 times a, which is alpha minus 2c alpha hyper divided by 45. Similarly, c. Implement c is uh, z equal to, that is c equal to alpha hype equal to 95 minus 2 alpha minus plus 3 times alpha degree symbol by 33. Now I calculate a. Calc. Initially you have to take zeros. 0, c is 0, 2.5172. Here calc b. calc B. Calc A is 0, put C is also 0, 1.8, 1.8, and Z calc 0, 0, 2.878788. Next, again repeat this with the previous set of values. For A, calc B equal to 1.8, C is 2.8788, 2.8788 will give you 2.77778. Next, calculate B. Calc A equal to 2.5172, 2.5172. C equal to 2.8788. It is 1.5042. Next, calculate C. Calculate A equal to 2.5172. B is 1.8. 1.8. So it is 2.888899. 8899. Next, calc A. A is calc B is 1.5042. C equal to 8899. So it is 2.7684. 2.7684. Calc B. Calc B. B equal A is 2.7778. 2.7778. But C is the old value 888899. So it is 1.4864. C calc 2.7788. It is 1.5042. 5042. So it is 2.8472. Repeat. Calc B is 1.4864. 1.4864. C is 8472. Okay. So it is 2.7684. Y calc A equal to 2.76 2.7684, 2.7684. C 2.8472, so it is 1.484 88889. So 888, this can be also taken as 9, 8, 9. Now C calc 7684. Okay, B is 4864, 1.4864, 64. So it is 2.8461. Repeat. Calc 1.4864. Okay. It is 2.8461. It is also okay. So new X is 2.7648. Next B calc A is 2.7684. 2.7684. C is 2.8461. It is 1.4889. Calculate C. Calc 2.7684. Okay. B is 1.4889. It is also okay. So it is 2.8464. Repeat. Calc B is 1.4889. Okay. C is 2.8464. It is also okay. So it is 2.7649. Here calculate Y. Calc A equal to 2.76448. 2.7648. 48. Z is 2.8464. It is okay. It is 1.4892. Here C calc A equal to 7648. Okay. B is 1.488. 4889. 488. 1.488. 1.4889. C is 2.8464. 2.8464. 2.8464. So the system is converged. The solution is given by 2.7649, 1.4892, 2.8464.